Okay, welcome to my video of my Aprilia Tuono factory with the full Aprilia Pokovic 2 exhaust cans with Power Commander 3 USB. Now the bike always had the Power Commander, and I've now put the software on my PC and put the appropriate map in. So when I first approached it, I had to purchase this plug here, which plugs a permanent 9-volt into the Power Commanders, so you can use it without the ignition being on, and then a lead to plug into the PC. So if we come over to here to see the map, if you look at the description there, so that's the map I have in, and those are the parts I have, and this is said map, so forth. So if I hide the notes, you can see a bit more of the map. So, but the problem I had was had the map in, but when I was riding the bike at 2,500 RPM, if I tried to hold it at 2,500 RPM, what would happen? It would be like, didn't really know where it was. It was like jittering up and down, up and down. So coming into a roundabout in the UK and trying to hold it on a constant throttle, it was really awkward to do. I tried various maps. I tried playing with the buttons on the fly, enriching the fuel, leaning it out in the lower end of the section here. Made no difference, fault was still there. It wasn't until I got the software on my PC and I plugged that in, and it wasn't doing that. The percentage of throttle was dancing from 0 up to about 3, 7, 8, 10, 12. And how many times I went into the let me get the mouse and show you the Power Commander tools here and set throttle function. However many times I'd done that, it wouldn't work because I was doing it wrong, I believe, but reading the instructions kind of led me to believe I was doing it right. So the correct way of doing it is to connect it up as I've shown you, ignition off, then turn your ignition on. So without my ignition on, obviously throttle, I'm getting nothing. But what I was doing, when I went to the set throttle with the ignition off, you would get the throttle back and forth and reset it, but it still wouldn't sit stable. But I found out, okay, that's the ignition turned on now. So we have the ignition on, and I'm going to turn the throttle like that and then go like that when you're watching the screen. So 0 all the way to 100, and I'm going to let go. So now I have a proper calibrated throttle. So hopefully on my next test ride, we won't, me and the bike won't have the jitters at 2,500 RPM. So I believe I've solved it with that. And I just wanted to share this with anybody who'd got a Gen 1 Aprilia and they had the same problem. Because when I did look on the internet, it said, oh, it's a real common problem with the USB 3. It picks up an EMF cable. It picks EMF up on the cable for the, not the injectors around this side, but the TPS, which is tucked up there. So I was thinking, oh, okay then. And it talks about splicing another earth in direct to the TPS. But I didn't do any of that. That's what I done. And so I don't know why it happened after I had the bike stripped, done the valves. I did adjust 2 valves. I did take the throttle bodies off, but I didn't touch anything. So I thought I'd maybe misplaced a cable and it was picking up some sort of EMF from somewhere, but no. So that's that. And the other thing I wanted to show you, I had shown on YouTube a modded Airbox where the pipe actually comes up into this side of the box, and then I had a filter material and a drilled plate to catch the oil droplets to hopefully run it back to the rear cylinder head. But I was thinking about that, and that's actually taken up a bit of room, a bit of cubic capacity in my airbox. So what I've done now, I've actually fitted one of these, I think it's called a ram air filter, and it just basically sits there. So it's high up, high-ish up. So when it's on the side stand, it would run back down through there, back to the rear head, valve cover, head. But I'm not emitting any fumes into my airbox. So my airbox is still completely clean, bigger airbox, haven't compromised on the capacity. I think that's the way to go. Yeah, that's about it really. So test ride is next to see if I've cured the snatchy, that's the wrong word. It just didn't know where it was at 2,500 RPM. So I just thought I'd share that with anybody. If there's anybody out there with a bike like mine, Generation 1 Aprilia, and they're having this on and off feeling at low, well, mine was on and off at low revs, and basically you need the ignition on live with the 9-volt battery plugged in to do the throttle calibration. Well, I guess you could do it without the 9 volts if you have the ignition switched on, but it sort of didn't explain it too well for me, or maybe I was just thick and didn't understand it. But that's what I've done, and hopefully now it's going to be superb to ride. Thanks for watching.